I recently bought this 13-gallon stainless steel trash can to replace our old one, and I'm honestly really happy with it. The first thing I noticed is how sleek and clean it looks in my kitchen, and the fingerprint-proof stainless steel keeps the garbage can looking nice without me having to constantly wipe it down. My favorite feature has to be the soft close lid. It shuts quietly every single time, so there's no loud banging, which definitely makes a difference with having kids in the house. The foot pedal feels sturdy and smooth, and you can tell that the garbage can is made from quality materials. It fits standard 13-gallon garbage bags, and it also came with 20 garbage bags, which was a really nice addition. There's a small hole here in the inner bucket where you can pull the garbage bag through to secure it in place, but personally, I just wrap the bag around the edges of the inner can, and it fits great, so it's super easy either way you do it. I also like that it has 2 handles on the sides so you can easily move the garbage can around the kitchen. And I like that it has a removable inner can so I can take that out and wash it to keep everything clean. Also, if silver isn't your style, they offer different color options so you can match your space to whatever you like. If you're looking for a modern, quiet, 13-gallon trash can that looks good in your kitchen, this one is definitely a great option. It's been a solid upgrade from our old trash can, and I'm genuinely happy with my purchase.